So dancing is my passion, and I can use your body, you can move, and just have fun with it. Dancing is like my thing in my life. I am first woman with Down syndrome to compete Miss USA pageant. I am a self-advocate for those who have special needs and show others we can do this and have fun. My parents are so proud of me, and I got 2 awards actually, for real. And then I got Miss Congeniality too. People vote me like, that's Mikayla? I'm like, it's amazing. Wow, I was in tears. Like, that is so incredible. I love the stage, and I love Sephora. So I walk in, and I see a lot of colorful makeup. Like, you put on like sparkles. Sparkles is always fun. I feel more confident, and more beautiful, and it shines through me as a person. You know, people like us, people has a disability, we can do this. As a person with Down syndrome, I feel so empowered.